Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about GraphQL mutation introduction and testing using Karate. GraphQL mutations are operations that modify or change data on the server, while GraphQL queries are used to retrieve data. Mutations allow you to create, update or delete data. They are defined in a schema just like queries, but they are typically used to perform write operations. So mutations are used in order to create, update or delete data from the server, while queries are used to retrieve data. That's the main difference between GraphQL query and a GraphQL mutation. So we will be using the fake GraphQL server for this demo. So this is the URL. Here I have given a sample of a mutation. The difference is the keyword. So instead of query, we will be using mutation in the case of GraphQL mutation. So this CreatePost is the name of the mutation, and this particular CreatePost is the endpoint. In this bracket, we are passing the value. So these are the subfields that we are asking for the server to return in the response. So if you remove any subfield from this mutation, the server will not be returning that value. So this is the command to start the fake GraphQL server on your local. I have already started the fake GraphQL server on my local. So this is the command I have used, and you can see the fake GraphQL server has already opened on localhost 3000 port. This is the explorer. Here I am choosing the value mutation from this drop down. I am clicking on the plus button. So the mutation I have listed, I am choosing this CreatePost endpoint. I am giving the name as CreatePost here. I am giving some values here. Now we have to select the subfield of this endpoint. You can see some errors coming. So you have to choose the subfields like this. Now the error is gone. Now I am hitting this request. I will be getting a response. So if you remove views, the server will not be returning the value of views in the response. You can see. So this is a main advantage of GraphQL. Whatever data we are asking is only returned by the server in the response. Now we will be doing the same mutation using Karate. I have already opened Eclipse. In the project Karate API test under src test java under com.test package, I have created one fake GraphQL.feature file. This is the feature name and this is the mutation name. Now I am copying the code from this particular feature file, and we will be changing based on the requirement. So in the query part, we have to change this query into mutation. I am removing this content. Now copying the content from here and pasting it in the codes. Now we have to change the URL as well. So the URL is this one. So I am passing the request like this. We have mentioned the HTTP method, printing the response and asserting the status code. I am correcting the format, saving the file, and I am executing this feature file. After the execution, I will be opening the HTML report in browser. The execution is completed. You can see the response coming. So it has created a post with ID 5. If you again hit this request, it will be generating a post with ID 6. So I will be opening the report in browser. You can see the report in green color. You can see the response. Now I am going to hit this request again, and I am removing the views from the subfield. I am formatting the request again, saving the file and hitting the request. the execution is complete and you will not be seeing the views in the response. We can verify that in the report as well. I am refreshing this report. In the response, you will not be seeing the views. So this is how you hit a GraphQL mutation using Create. I hope this video was helpful. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.